voters maybe this year, next year not there. So ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು 2005 ಮುಗಿದವರು ಅವರು ಇಯರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಡೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನನಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯ we are trying, we are again for everything. We cannot say if some random fellow comes and says, look sir, I want to go in internship or in the final year. You cannot say. You cannot. Because you come under meeting, you don't have the provision to send. But still we do some internal things that we need to send it. If somebody comes to know and it is an offense from our end. In Srinivas University, we got that privilege of sending candidates and all those things. We can put our syllabus. We have seen success there. It is not a big deal for us. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು he is frustrated not because of you know why he is frustrated. ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಲ್ಲ. The reason is